Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to remove complex background using Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have my image over here and the task is to remove the sky background from this wire pole and then its wires. So to remove the background, what we'll do is select channels, then select the blue channel. So after selecting the blue channel, left click and hold. We want to duplicate the blue channel. So just left click and hold and then drag it and place it here to duplicate. So after duplicating, you see that they've written blue copy, meaning this is the duplicate. Nice. Once you've been able to duplicate it, just press, if you're on Mac, press Command plus L. But then if you're Windows, just press Control L. Nice. So it will bring up the levels panel. So over here, just push. Let's go with this, something like this. Nice. So something like this is okay for me. But then you feel that on the light pool there are some white, this part. Yeah, there are some white sections that hasn't been selected well. So I'll just click on OK over here. Then I'll select my brush tool, reduce the brush size to 12 and then make sure the hardness of the brush is at 100%. Then I'll zoom in and paint over this section. Do the same thing for this part. Let's do it this. Now let's do the same thing here again, and then this side too. Let's do it for this part. Same thing over here. Let's do it for this one too as well, and then let's do it this way. Let's check. Okay, so now I think everything has been selected now. So with this done, hold down your command key or your control key and then left click in the blue copy channel. So place your mouse here, hold down the command or control and then left click once. So you see that after holding down the command or control and then left clicking once, it has activated the selection for us. Then hold down your option. Okay, so let's go back to layers and hold down your option or alt key and left click this side to add layer mask. So we've added the selection as a layer mask, and then here's the layer mask. Now that we've been able to add our selection as a layer mask, we can change the background color. Now let's change the color. Let me push it down and then I'll double click here and let's go with let's see a yellow color. And then voila! So I've been able to remove the background from this complex image, and then we've been able to change the background color. Okay guys, so this is how to remove complex background using Adobe Photoshop. Like this video and then haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.